Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be presenting about one of the broadly defined manufacturing problems, which is inconsistent material preparation. These problems happens before the machining process starts. It usually occurs during the marking, measuring or cutting stage of raw materials. Even though material preparation looks simple, it is actually one of the most important steps in machining. If the preparation is wrong, the entire machining operation can be affected. Inconsistent material preparation means the raw material is not prepared correctly before it is brought to the lathe or milling machine. For example, incorrectly marked, cut to the wrong length or orientation, prepare without following a standard procedure, and finally measure using unsuitable tools.
My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Salihuddin. So, why this problem happened? There are several major reasons why inconsistent material preparation occur. Number 1, human error. Sometimes operator rush through the preparation stage, mark material without proper reference, or misread and technical drawing. This is common among beginners who may not fully understand tolerance or measure technique. So, for the second thing is using the wrong tool. Many students are use marker, pens or pencil for marking. These marking are thick, inaccurate, and can easily smudge if measuring tools such as vernier caliper or steel ruler are not calibrated properly. Even a small error of 1 mm can ruin the entire part. So, for the third thing is lack of standard operating procedure. Without a proper SOP, every operator perform material preparation in their own way. This leads to inconsistent results and make it difficult to maintain quality. So for the last one is poor communication and drawing interpretation. Sometimes the problem arises simply because this technical drawing is not clearly understood. Important information like machining allowance or reference surface may be overlooked. This issue combined lead to a situation where the prepared material is already incorrect even before machining begins.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Rakib bin Ishaq, and my metric number is B1325108818. For my part, I will explain the effect of incorrect marking and cutting on machining and workshop efficiency. When material are not marked or cut accurately, several serious problems can occur. First, the workpiece may become too short, and once that's happened, it cannot be repaired. This also leads to unstable clamping, which affect both safety and machining precision. Next, machining time increases because more adjustment and correction are required. The final surface finish may also become poor due to error at the starting point. As a result, the workshop experiences higher scrap rate, which increases waste and overall production costs. In short, even a small mistake at the beginning can ruin the entire machining process. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Afiq Khairi. Today, I will explain several engineering techniques used to solve problems and improve work quality. The first technique is the standard marking procedure, which ensure all measurement and marking are accurate and consistent. This reduces mistakes and help maintain product quality. The second technique is the pre-cut verification system. Before cutting any material, dimensions are checked to avoid wrong cuts and to prevent material wastage. Next, we use jigs, fixture and templates. The tool helps guide and position the workpiece so that tasks can be performed with more precisely and repeat regardless of the operator. Another important technique is implementing a standard operation procedure or SOP. SOP provide clear and step-by-step instruction, ensuring everyone follow the same method which increase safety and reduce error. Lastly, training and skill development are essential. Continuous training help work improve skill, operate machine safely, and produce better quality result. Overall, these engineering techniques help improve accuracy, efficiency, and consistency in any engineering process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq Irfan bin Muhammad Najib. My number entry is B132510745. In my part, I would like to talk about case study. Let's look at a simple example. A student needs a final machine length of 70 millimeter for a cylindrical workpiece. They use a marker pen to mark the material and cut it, resulting in a final length of 69 millimeter. This part is now completely unusable. If the student had used a proper procedure, which is marking with a scribble, adding plus 1 millimeter allowance and verifying the measurement, the correct cut length will be 71 millimeter, which allows room for finishing cuts. This small change prevents scrape and ensures the final product meets the required dimension. In conclusion, inconsistent material preparation is a critical issue that affects accuracy, safety, and workshop efficiency.